Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Air Fryer Liners is probably one of the most convenient kitchen accessories you can buy, especially if you love using your air fryer but hate the cleanup that comes with it. These disposable paper liners are designed to fit perfectly inside your air fryer basket, preventing food from sticking and making the whole cooking process much more enjoyable. Imagine perfectly cooked meals without the greasy mess or the tedious scrubbing afterward. That's the promise these liners hold, and today we're diving deep to see if they truly deliver on that promise and which ones are worth your hard-earned money. Number 5. Air Fryer Cheat Sheet Magnets Cooking Guide Booklet. Unlock the full potential of your air fryer with this comprehensive guide. It covers over 120 foods in 5 categories, providing quick references for cooking times and temperatures. This cooking guide is built to last. It's waterproof, tear-proof, and easy to clean, featuring a magnet for your fridge and a hook for hanging. Designed for real kitchens, it eliminates guesswork with clear, magnetic instructions. Enjoy improved cooking accuracy with both Celsius and Fahrenheit readings. Go beyond basic recipes with helpful tips on steak doneness, frozen foods, and even desserts. It enhances your cooking confidence and boosts flavor. This accessory is compatible with most air fryer brands. It's ideal for healthy cooking styles and helps you achieve professional results faster. Looking for a practical gift? This makes an excellent present for anyone who loves to cook, simplifying their air frying experience. What we like. If you're new to air frying or want to speed up your meal prep, this is for you. It offers over 120 foods with quick temperature and time references, making it easy to master your air fryer. Its magnetic design ensures it's always handy on your fridge. What people say. Practical. It sticks to my refrigerator, and the recipes I read seemed easy to follow and not super fussy, easy to get ingredients, and minimal steps. I like that the cardstock booklet is spiral bound. It can be hung via the little loop in the spiral, or can be stuck to fridge via the large strong magnet attached to back of booklet. I found the cooking times to be very accurate and the food comes out perfectly. Bonus is the magnetic backing so that it lives very handily on the fridge next to the air fryer. It's very well made and after 3 years of use still looks brand new. Number 4. Ailun 6.5-inch Air Fryer Paper Liners. Tired of scrubbing your air fryer? These 6.5-inch liners are designed for 2 to 5 cutie models. Simply place one in your fryer to catch all the mess, making cleanup a breeze. Crafted from natural wood pulp, these liners are food grade and safe for high temperatures. They won't alter the taste of your food, ensuring healthier meals every time. Featuring a food-grade silicone coating, these liners resist water and oil. Your food won't stick, even with sauces, and your cookware stays protected. Forget tearing, folding, or cutting. These liners are ready to go straight from the package. Just place one in your air fryer or microwave and start cooking. Thicker than standard parchment, these liners are built to last. They are durable and won't tear when you lift them, even after cooking. Designed in a convenient bowl shape, these liners allow for optimal air circulation. The heat distribution remains unaffected, ensuring perfect cooking results. What we like. For those who dread cleaning their air fryer, these liners are a game changer. They effectively catch food residue, making cleanup a breeze. If you value convenience and want to keep your appliance looking new with minimal effort, grab these. What people say. They work great and fit my air fryer very good. They work, they don't burn, they're sturdy, they keep the air fryer cleaner. These are great. I love that they fit the air fryer perfectly and leave behind no oil residue. Number 3. WMKGG Unbleached Air Fryer Parchment Paper Liners. These liners are designed to fit most popular air fryer models, including Cuisinart, Ninja Footy, and Breville. Ensure a perfect fit by measuring your appliance before purchase. Our liners feature a scientifically designed pattern of holes. This allows for optimal heat circulation, ensuring your food cooks evenly from all directions. Included is an extra grilling mat that acts as a barrier. It protects the bottom of your air fryer basket, rack, or pans from sticky residue, making cleanup effortless. These liners can withstand temperatures from -68 to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The double silicone coating prevents food from direct contact, keeping your appliance clean. Please do not use these liners during preheating. Always place food on top of the liner and ensure it does not touch the heating tube, which can exceed the paper's heat resistance. What we like. If you have a larger, rectangular air fryer or toaster oven and want optimal heat circulation, consider these. The pre-prepared holes ensure even cooking, and the included grilling mat adds an extra layer of protection and easy cleanup. They are ideal for those who cook a variety of foods and want consistent results. What people say. These liners are non-stick, waterproof, and oil-proof. They handle the heat like champs and don't seem to affect the cooking or the taste of the food at all. The pre-cut size is perfect, no more awkwardly trying to fold or tear parchment paper to fit. They even have slightly rounded corners, which is a small detail, but one that makes them fit just right. The sheets are large enough to cover the entire surface, and they catch all the drips and splatters, making it incredibly easy to wipe down. Number 2. Vailnd Air Fryer Paper Liners, 125 PCS. Enjoy healthier meals with our air fryer liners. Made from raw wood and coated with food-grade silicone, they are unbleached, fluorescent-free, BPA-free, and PFAS-free. They are waterproof, oil-proof, and non-stick, capable of withstanding temperatures up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. Using our liners is incredibly simple. Just place one in your air fryer basket and add your food. They catch all the grease and oil, ensuring your meals are cooked perfectly without affecting the taste. Say goodbye to scrubbing. These disposable liners feature a food-grade silicone oil coating and a bowl shape. They effectively protect your air fryer's inner surface from food residue and sticking, making cleanup a breeze. These liners are perfect for a variety of cooking methods, including baking, frying, steaming, and microwaving. They are ideal for home use, parties, and any occasion where you want to serve food conveniently. Specifically designed for 5 to 8 QT Ninja air fryers, these 8-inch liners fit perfectly. Each package contains 125 pieces, providing you with a generous supply for extended use. After use, simply dispose of the liner. It's a convenient way to keep your kitchen clean and enjoy your favorite fried foods without the hassle of washing up. What we like. If you prioritize healthy, natural materials for your cooking, these liners are a great choice. Made from unbleached wood pulp with a silicone coating, they are free from harmful agents. They are perfect for anyone looking for a safe, non-stick, and easy-to-use option for their 5 to 8 QT air fryer or microwave. What people say. They fit the air fries exactly, and the high sides keep any liquid in the paper. They keep my air fryer basket completely clean, which means cleanup after dinner is quick and effortless. They fit well in the basket and the non-stick surface works as expected. Food cooks normally and I haven't had issues with sticking or tearing during use. Number 1. Baker's Signature 125 PCS Air Fryer Paper Liners. Crafted from raw wood with a silicone coating, these liners are unbleached and free from harmful chemicals. They are waterproof, oil-proof, non-stick, and safe for high temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Say goodbye to scrubbing. These liners make cleanup a breeze, giving you more time to enjoy your delicious meals. Cook with confidence using our natural, unbleached parchment liners. They ensure your food remains pure and safe for a clean, healthy meal. Designed for convenience, these liners come in a space-saving package. Keep your kitchen tidy and organized with this clutter-free storage solution. Perfect for 5 to 8 QT air fryer baskets, they also work in ovens and microwaves. You can even use them as convenient dinner plates, simplifying your kitchen routine. What we like. For the eco-conscious and organized home cook, these liners offer a natural, unbleached option with a focus on tidiness. They are designed for easy cleanup and come in a space-saving package. If you appreciate versatility and want to maintain a clean kitchen while cooking healthy meals in your 5 to 8 QT air fryer, oven, or microwave, these are a fantastic pick. What people say. They fit well in my air fryer and helped keep the basket clean, which made cleanup much faster and easier. The paper is strong enough to handle food without tearing, and they helped prevent stuck-on messes. I have used these several times over the past week and never had oil or grease leak through. Even when cooking hamburger meat, which is very greasy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.